Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Free CA Classes. So I'm back with yet another video for CA Intermediate Paper 3 Costing classes, and these classes are have been taken by CA Jasmeet sir. Actually he has taken classes previously also. I have uploaded the video over here, as you can see, costing classes. This was my first video on the YouTube channel, and thank you for the tremendous support for the channel, as we have a family of 210 subscribers. Please do subscribe for more videos and share these classes to others as well, so they can benefit out of this. So now what I am telling you, what I am going to tell you about is CA Jasmeet sir actually has taken new classes, and he has started new batch for the costing classes, and these classes are absolutely free. As you can see over here, he's been conducting these classes on special classes. So you can go visit this website unacademy.com and then follow him. And what I have done is I have compiled all his classes in one Google Sheet. I will provide this link to the description of this video. You can directly click on this link, and this will direct you to the website. If the website asks you for any kind of code, you can use my code plus 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 QR247 to unlock all these classes. And as you can see, he has taken quite a few classes, and these classes have been conducted has had been started on 17th of May this year, 2022, and these are applicable for November 2022 as well as for May 2023. So if you are watching these classes, right now, and if you are watching this video right now, what you can do is, he has conducted actually material classes, labor, overhead, cost sheet, service, job and batch costing, contract, process costing, joint and byproduct, and many classes are still left to be conducted, and he is actually taking these classes live right now. What you can do is, you can directly visit website and then you can follow him, so that you can regularly watch the live classes, and you can directly ask any doubt what in the live classes. So you have these facilities and these kinds of advantage, that on in the live classes you can directly ask the doubts. So that's it for the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button, and thank you so much.